Okay, cover the kuya, okay? The baby kuya. Your umbrella is very small. Bibi! You found your... Yeah, kuya has a... Yak umbrella. Sus, papa, even papa sa umbrella. Nabuang na gyud. Yeah. That is our igloo there. That's we're gonna sleep today. His Japanese umbrella.
Nicht so langsam, sonst fällt ihr gleich ins Wasser, okay?
What? It's outside. Just outside. Ay, ignorant lagi ka. Oh, here, Papa. Oh, beside also. Maybe you can rent also. Wow, the lake. This is very good here with summer. That's what I said. You see, it's really like a house. Oh, it's very nice. Yeah, here you can rent. That is very nice there. Oh. You can rent there. Oh, the sea is very nice. The ocean. Oh, careful, baby. It's raining, but still very nice. I'm the only one who don't have an umbrella. My husband is wearing umbrella actually. It's very nice. Yeah, it's summer. It's just raining today, but we're still very gonna take risk, and it's very nice. There, it's nice too. You can still come back next time and rent the house instead. Oh, look at the surroundings, guys. Look at the sea. It's really nice during summer here for sure. But we are here during winter and it's raining. Autumn, I mean, and it's raining. Look at the view. Oh, it's very cloudy, but still nice. According to the Germans, there's no bad weather. You're just wearing the wrong OOTD. So we're still here. Oh, it's awesome. I can imagine here in summer. Careful, ha? Look at Kenji. Kenji has a perfect outfit. It's very nice. Even if it's cloudy and raining, you can rent the houses there in front. I think in summer it's very expensive and there's a lot of people. And actually it's not super cold. It's just windy. And actually we're staying in an igloo, which is so cute. So we're still having fun even if it's raining. And my kids are complete OOTD anyway. Especially Kenji, look at him. Hey, so cute. They're going to the ducks. I'm the only one who's not scared of the rain. Woo! So nice. Oh, there's a lot of boat also. I think even if it's like winter, it's nice here. Throw it! Very good. There is the duck. Go! So you can see. I think in summer it's awesome here. There's like a boat. And you can rent some houses. It's really in front. And the kids are already running. What happened? There's a stone. Throw it. Throw the stone. Another Stein. Stein, yeah, she's German. He's German. He's not using stone Stein. Very good. Go. More. Go to Papa. Come on. Papa. Run to Papa. His shoes is so cute. It's not enough. It's okay. Go to Papa. Do not get some. More? More? Okay. Go. You go to Papa. Go to Papa. Na, Papa will leave us already. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Papa. So, sisi, pamunit o bato. Papa, the small one. They are so cute. Papa! Oh, there's even like tower. So I think it's very crowded here during summer for sure. And you cannot rent, so you cannot rent a lot of, it's hard to rent a place. Or you can bring your own trailer. The rain doesn't stop us. It's so nice even it's raining actually, guys. See that? Oh my God, my husband is already jumping there. Good luck to him, he's very heavy. He's very heavy. What? Buang yun, oh, buang yun. Buang yun. Nine, bebe, do not run, bebe. Yuki, you will fall there, ha? Aggressive ka, ayo. No, what a good. I'm the only one who don't have a... At least I have a cover. So nice. Look at them. Look at them, guys. Kein Badensteg daw, oy. Fortish. Nakalitok. Nus, bibi! The baby papa! Sus, Diyos mio, Marimar, nidaga na. My God, nawa jud niya mulayat aniron ba kay punito niyang anak? Scary. Scary. We're done na. We'll just take a walk. There's a line.
Don't fall again.
Yeah, I might fall. I almost stumble in the in this something here. I almost fall. It's scary actually. We're done. Kiat kayo mga bata. Kapuy yun. Put your your head. Sus, mahulog ka, Kenji. Naunsa naman taning bata. He's not scared. Aggressive kaayo.
I'm scared.
Put on your hood, your yake. Si dalaan na iya hangkuan. Mickey Mouse.
It's copyright, Mama.
Why?
Mickey Mouse.
The Mickey Mouse is copyright. His favorite also umbrella from Japan. He bring that from Japan to here, Jude. Bitmias Airport. You bring the wrong one, Pajud, from the hotel. You exchange it. The one you, the other one is also original. He bought a new one, but I don't know why did he bring the old one. Say hi. Don't know with you, oy. We're finished the run. Here, I think you can rent this boat.
It's a boat fun.
Boat? You wanna go by boat? But it's raining. No. It will be no boat today. He want to go by boat. They saw the boat here. There's a boat. Oh yeah, we go there in the lake for the boating. And they wanna go. Gihang ako. This one is perfect for renting. In front here. Where's our igloo?
This way.
Yeah, it's another igloo. Other side here.
There's more igloos.
Yeah, till the end here. Gihang ako. That's the end igloo. There's a lot of igloo. Okay, nagot. The first one at the end. No, that's not ours. That's the last igloo. Oh. So cute, Kenji. The kids are so cute. Careful. They are so curious with the fire. We are so curious. We never did camping.
Yes. I never did fire.
Yeah, Papa's doing for the grilling. But we're not allowed to go out because kids were gonna play with it.
And I'm not gonna
So
play
funny.
it. I'm not gonna play with it.
So this is our room. Look at how small. This is my bed. This is where I'm gonna sleep. And this is where they're gonna sleep. See that? It's like really an igloo. And there's a small table. Look at how messy we are. This is just very small.
Let's see if it will be hot for us.
Hello. It will be hot enough for our food. So cute, the igloo. Look at Kenji move away. Hi, baby. He's leaking the door. 9, you cannot get out. I'm grilling now. Let's see if this will work. See that? It's working, guys. So yeah, I'm grilling outside. Grill time. Ako rin yung isa diri. Look at me, oh. It's our food. Kaya akong husband don't know how to make a fire. He thinks that it needs to be really, really fire. So here, it's getting better. It's not bad for first time camping. Look at the boys. Meron siya solod. Kakiat na dyan sila, oh. So cute. Can't wait to eat na. See ya!
It's going to rain.
It's okay. Can you show me your marshmallow, baby? Baby! Do that, baby! Yeah, he just only want one. It's already melting.
Rain.
Usa nagbutbut.
More melting.
Okay. Yeah, okay. How many you have, baby? Only one. Okay, one only for the baby. Only one. Okay.
It's almost melting.
Then you want to eat Kenji?
Papa, mine.
Sehr gut.
Take care. Show me your marshmallow.
Look at.
No, it's not yet. It's still black. Oh, yours, baby. Careful. Oh, it's kaput from baby. It falls. The stick was cut. I don't know with him. Sige na, you.
Was etwas passiert? Gucke. Papa.
Baby, do not touch baby.